Hey there! Today, we will learn how to tell and write time. First, let's learn how to tell time using digital clocks. This is pretty easy since all we have to do is read through the numbers. For example, let's read the time on this clock. Note that we have to read two numbers separated by a colon. So this clock says 8:30. Let's try this second clock. Notice that we have two zeros on the right side of the colon. This means 60 minutes or 1 hour has passed. However, we don't read it as 00. In telling time, we read this as o'clock. So this clock reads as 2 o'clock. Let's do more practice by matching the digital clock to the written time. Clock A is read as 3 o'clock. Clock B is read as 11 o'clock. Clock C is read as 5:30. Clock D is read as 9:30. Good job! Now, let's move on to telling the time using analog clocks. Analog clocks have two hands. The hour hand is the short one, and the minute hand is the long one. A few things to remember. If the minute hand is pointed at 12, it represents 60 minutes or 1 hour and is read as o'clock. While if it's pointed at 6, it represents 30 minutes. And sometimes the hour hand will not point exactly at a number. In these cases, follow the number which it has recently passed. Let's try reading this analog clock. The hour hand is pointed at 4, and the minute hand is pointed at 12. So the time is 4 o'clock. How about this next clock? The hour hand is pointed somewhere between 8 and 9, meaning it is just past 8, while the minute hand is pointed at 6. So the time is 8:30. Let's test our time-telling skills by choosing the correct digital clock that matches the analog clock. The hour hand is pointed at 6, and the minute hand is pointed at 12. So the time is 6 o'clock. This is the same as digital clock B. Next, the hour hand is pointed between 1 and 2, meaning it is just past 1, while the minute hand is pointed at 6. So the time is 1:30. This is the same as digital clock A. Next, both the hour and minute hands are pointed at 12. So the time is 12 o'clock. This is the same as digital clock D. Next, the hour hand is pointed between 6 and 7, meaning it is just past 6, while the minute hand is pointed exactly at 6. So the time is 6:30. This is the same as digital clock C. You did great! I hope this helped you in learning how to tell and write time. See you next time!